Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use calendar in Notion. Now as you can see here, I'm in Notion guys, and I even have a clock there. And so the website that I'm about to show you how you can use to actually get calendar in Notion is basically the same, and you can try out this if you want to have the clock there as well. So you want to head over to the website called widgetbox.app, and you can quickly sign in with your Gmail account. So click on sign in. If you have a Gmail account, you can quickly sign in with that. Otherwise, if you don't, you can easily go ahead and create an account. Now, once you're inside, you want to look for calendar on the left hand side. And as I showed you before, for example, I have a clock. So if you want clock as well, you can simply click on this clock section and choose whether you want analog or digital, right? And you can just choose something that you like. The steps are pretty much the same. How I'm going to show you how to do the calendar as well. So you want to go to calendar guys, and you can choose if you want a simple calendar. As you can see, you have simple calendar right here, and you also have simple tool calendar. So you'll have some options here that you can choose from. Let's stick with this one, for example. So once you find something that you like, we'll just use the first option right here. All you have to do is click and customize and embed, and it's going to take you over to this section here where you can fully customize how you want it to be. So you can have the start set up to the start days. You can change the color as well. You can do the header, the borders. You can set it up to whatever you want, right? So in this case, I'm going to just quickly just change some color here so that you can see that it actually works. So you can just basically have it your way. Let's call it like that, right? Have it your way. So let's leave it like that. Now, once you're satisfied, let's keep this pretty straightforward and simple. At the top here, you will see copy embed URL. So copy the embedded URL, head back over to Notion, click there, and you want to type /, then type the word embed, and then you'll have the embed option at the top there. So click on that, and here you just want to paste that link or that URL that you've gotten and click on embed. What that is going to do is to embed the calendar for you, and you can even resize it to your desire. It's really up to you. And that's it guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and use calendar in Notion. So this is it guys. If you want to use calendar in Notion, it's so you can quickly go ahead and add it in Notion. And yeah, very easy and very simple. Hope you found this useful guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. Hit that subscribe button guys, and thank you guys for watching.